Good morning mga palangga. So, ano pa nga ba ang mas gaganda? Yung gigisingin ka sa isang umagang ginigising ka ng mga manok, 'di ba? Ito yung na-miss ko while in Taiwan. At least dito, yun ang gigising sa akin, yung mga tilaok ng manok. And let's explore around. This is my first morning in Bantayan, my hometown in Cebu. Ayan. Ah, 'di ba? Ang daming coconut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. And of course, let's explore. Ayan. Yay! Ito yung this is my relaxing view for the morning. Nothing beats the sound of the ocean. It always makes me feel relaxed. Although hindi ganun kalinis yung baybayin ngayon. Kasi it's habagat season. And pag habagat, talaga napupunta dito yung mga seaweeds. And it's normal. Diba? Yun yung sasabihin, huwag nyo kong i-bash na madumi. Hindi kasi habagat lang po talaga. Diba? Ang ganda. Yay! Good morning, Bantayan! 360 view? Ay, 360 view ba? Few distance from my house. That's my house. Our house. So just a few distance from my house is this beautiful beach. Relaxing sound of the ocean. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Sana walang jellyfish. Oh, good morning!